Alright guys, I'm going to do a quick video of this little Galaxy 2154 that you saw a couple years ago. I got for a freebie. I mean, apparently what's happened, when it's not an oscillation, the head just flops around. But when it was oscillating, it would work fine. But then last night, about 10:30, it was making a noise like it was about to fucking kill itself. In fact, okay, the camera decided to quit on me, so yeah. But like I said, the oscillation is on, and it's just flopping around. So, let's take this. Well, there's the problem, and here's what happened. This screw came undone. Can it be put back in? I don't know. Let's find out, shall we? I don't know if it can come back in. I don't know if I can do this. Hold that thought. Okay, so what happened? It just came undone over the years of it bouncing around and just pushes in. So yeah, now it's back to where it should be. And it's moving again. And yeah, not flopping around, so I guess I fixed it. So yeah, that's that. Cheap quick fix of this little 2154 that seems to be everywhere. So if this died, it's not. I'm not out of it. It was $3.99 and everything else. Hopefully I'll see if this video comes out. If not, it looks I'll have to. Well, I can't really do it because the pin's back in. So whatever. Till next time, thanks for watching. Comment box is open.